Hello, today we're working on problems 4 through 6. For problem 4, this is that systems of equations stuff that you were working on last year, or last semester, sorry. So first, we're going to try and get this down to be only having two variables. So I'm going to get rid of the c. I'm going to do that by keeping the first one the same and multiplying the second one by 2. And then just adding those two lines together. So I'll get rid of our c's. We'll have 2a plus 12b equals 22. Now, using the third one, which I'm going to multiply by negative 6, we'll have negative 18a Yet again, we're going to add those two lines together. And now we can solve for a. So a is negative 1. Next, we're going to plug that back in to this third equation from the original. So we'll say 3 times that negative 1. And we're going to solve for b. And the last step is we're going to be plugging both a and b in to solve for c. And now you've solved for all three of your equations. For problem 5, we're going to say we have 13 pieces of 6. So we'll go 6, 12, we go that last little bit, and so our reference angle will be pi over 6. For this next one, we're going to have 47 pieces of 18. So 18, 32, what's left over is we'll have that 47 minus 32, that equals 15. So this section right here is 15 pi over 18. Our reference angle is going to be what's left. And actually, I just realized that is a mistake right there. So that wasn't 32. We wanted actually 36. So that'll make it 11. And so this last section would be our leftover. So 18 minus 11, and we'd have 7. So it's actually 7 pi over 18. If you have any questions on that, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.